seeing both your ABS light and VSA light on. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to test, fix, and reset both lights, in just a few minutes. And no, you don't need a mechanic. Let's fix it. Step 1. Check the brake fluid level. Open the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. If the level is low, top it up to the max line. Use the correct brake fluid, usually .3 or .4. Low fluid is a common cause of ABS and VSA lights. Step 2. Clean the ABS wheel sensors. Go to each wheel and find the ABS sensor near the brake disc. Dirt, rust, or debris on these sensors can trigger warning lights. Wipe them gently with a cloth or soft brush. Also, check the wires. If they're broken, the sensor won't work. Step 3. Check ABS and VSA fuses. Open your fuse box, it's usually under the hood or dashboard. Look for fuses labeled ABS, VSA, or brake. Pull them out and inspect for damage. Replace any blown fuse with the same amperage. Step 4. Reset the system without a scanner. Option 1. Battery reset. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes. This resets your ECU and can clear the ABS and VSA lights. Reconnect the cable, start the car, and check the dashboard. Option 2. Key cycle method. Turn your key to the on position, don't start the engine. Wait for the dashboard lights to go out, then turn it off. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. This works on some cars to reset warning lights. Step 5. Test drive your car. Take a short drive. Press the brakes at low speed to see if the ABS or VSA light returns. If it stays off, you've fixed the issue. Still seeing the lights. If the warning lights return after reset, the problem may be in the ABS module or hydraulic control unit. In that case, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. If this video helped you fix your ABS or VSA light, tap that like button. Subscribe now for more easy dashboard warning light fixes and DIY car repair tips.